who you really are, what you dream about at night. I wanna know who you really are, baby, come into the light. I wanna know you. I wanna know you. I wanna know you. Who you really are, baby, I wanna know you. Who you really are, baby, come into the light. I wanna know you. I wanna know you.
Hi, today we will be talking about cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? What are the pros and cons of investing in cryptocurrency right now?
According to Wikipedia, cryptocurrency is a binary data designed to work as a medium of exchange wherein individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger existing in a form of a computerized database using strong cryptography to secure transaction records, to control the creation of additional coins, and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges and investing or trading platforms out there, so be sure to do your own research before you start investing. Most people use Coinbase, Voyager, eToro, Binance, Kraken, and all the other trading platforms that are available in the market today. Just like in any other investment, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Remember to buy low and sell high or buy and hold, and be aware of any market fluctuations and what's happening in the stock market as well because it affects all your investments. There are many pros and cons in investing in the early stages of cryptocurrency. Be sure to consult with your financial advisor before you make any investment decision in something that you are not yet familiar with. Here are the pros and cons that I have listed.
If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out the links below.